got the whole boat. To ourselves, we got the whole boat. To ourselves, we got the whole fire. To ourselves.
Are you guys like a chorus group or
No.
We're just crazy people from California.
We are in line now for the, what is this? What is this called, AJ?
Rapids. The rapids.
What kind of rapids?
This rapids. That's
Cali
all it is.
Rapids.
Calico Rap. I don't know.
Calico River Rapids.
Calico River Rapid Ride. We're going on Big Bear Thunder Rapids here at Animal Kingdom. Kali River Rapids. It's made out of cauliflower, but I'm hoping to get wet because it is hot here. The dreaded moment of truth. Will.
I'm glad it was all or none.
Yes, exactly.
Oh my goodness.
Even two Rosses on the ride.
That's right.
Wait.
Joe, just go like this. I took my socks off.
I will get you the your socks. Okay.
I'll put it in the backpack.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just making a prediction, but those four are gonna get the wettest right there. Those four
Me too.
are gonna get soaking wet.
Let's spend an ice cream.
And I feel bad for the people that are sitting next to them because they're gonna get more wet than that.
CDG and Megan are gonna get it.
Oh!
I know, she can't shoot.
No, it's gonna be right there. You know why? Just so you know, they say the people facing backwards get it the worst.
I don't know.
At the beginning, yeah, because we go down.
It'll turn.
And then it'll
turn.
Let's see.
I knew I got to do that weekend.
Oh man, here we go. You ready to get soaking wet?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. The wettest of them all, right there.
You know, those who smelt it, dumped it. Well, guess what? You say everybody's gonna get wet. You're gonna get really wet.
No, we're all getting wet. I saw the sprinklers.
Equally.
Wait, we're going into that waterfall? What?
Yeah.
Oh, she doesn't see what's gonna happen to her. Oh, Carla, I feel really bad for you right now.
I'm looking at it right now. What are you talking about?
Dip them in!
That was terrifying.
Okay, that was.
Cancel for you people.
Oh, look at that beautiful waterfall right there. Oh, you guys, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm so scared right
I said to my
now.
buddy, you're like, no, I'm good.
Okay, here we go. Okay, oh no! All that build up for nothing. Oh no! Here it goes! Here it comes! Here it comes!
CDG so bad, she flew to the other side. Did you see her?
Oh wait! Get ready again.
I have to hold you down, girl.
Oh no!
Oh, look at their smoke.
There's a fire!
Brimstone and fire.
Call the police! Call the fire department!
Oh my God.
Wait a second! No, a second, there's a drop! Whose idea was this? Why are we doing this, people? Oh no! What happened? Why did they do this? Who's gonna do this?
What's Grammy?
Oh, you want to go Oh my God, it's running water! What is going on in your life? It's turning. Here we go. Get Kiko. Get Kiko. Get Kiko. Get Kiko. Yeah.
Oh my.
It's Kiko's turn.
I already got it. You can see through.
Squirting us! Oh my gosh, it was just squirting us! Wow! Oh wow, you guys!
I am completely soaked.
How was that, Becky?
It's awesome. I do it again.
Oh, just so you know, on the soak meter, I'm pretty soaked. Becky, pretty soaked. Every single person is soaking wet. Ron, are your socks wet?
Again.
Again. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. Poor AJ, they're like, let me off. You come to Animal Kingdom, you gotta get on this river raft ride. This thing is crazy. Feels so good on a hot day. If it's cold out, don't do it. But if it's hot out, you get on that bad boy right there.